1, 2, 3, team! All right,
See
catch you
you
later.
next time, Scout.
All right, yeah, this is a fun game.
That'd be funny if Panda wants to join.
The moment I got there, oh, I was topless for 5 days straight. The OG Jesus is when I want to make shorts. If I wanna try and, you know, create content from content, the way that the resolution looks when I try to make a short is absolutely horrendous. Like if I do this. Um, so wait, you've got no playlist, but you've got 6 videos up here. You're up to 1,300 subscribers. What would you say you attribute your... Hey guys, yo, what's up? Ayo, hey, check this out. We're gonna go in and we're gonna make some trees today, yo. Don't forget to smash that subscribe. For nefarious purposes. I don't want anybody listening using that clip of me saying it on repeat while they do whatever in the privacy of their own home. I don't want anybody hearing me saying, oh daddy, oh daddy, oh daddy, over and over again from that clip. Don't do it. It's as bad as ripping your dick off. Oh daddy. God damn it. Hot crab on crab action. That's right. You only see this normally down in New Orleans. Bit gamey, right on my head. Rig probably gonna win. Ooh, it's not a bit gamey and Rig. Rig has quite a bit more health, but it's anybody's game. Randomizer. Ooh, oh. The anger is rising. Anger's rising. Who's going to be the big winner of the cats? Oh, Rig wins! Holy shit. Hold on. We got a clip. To get a clip of myself here, or if anybody else wants to get it, I want to show off where I'm at with this. And I'm curious, like, for this to be a functional game, we're almost there, right? We are almost there. I just need to create the enemies. We have the base stuff. We just need to create, like, what the variations are going to be. Yes. My balls. Thank you for following. Follow me wherever I go, my balls. And I appreciate that's about you. All right, let's see if this is any better. I reset my router. I unplugged everything back in. It looks like we're in the yellow for now. Welcome in, Captain Krabs. Good to see you. Oh, it's frustrating when that happens. All right, this might be a no stream night. Because I tested the other all of the things. I mean, okay, that's not bad. It's not great. That's actually what I'm kind of seeing. These were all above 10,000 when I was testing before. Ohio looks good. Well, this is some bullshit. Because my numbers are high. Like I'm at 13,000 kbps, but I'm still dropping 20% of frames. Okay, I'll give it a little bit more, but no, drop frames are still going up. I'm probably going to call it if this continues. What this shit is it saying here? It's all green on the Twitch side of things. There's nothing in the logs that would be. Wait, what? That doesn't seem right. No, let's see something here. Nope, I'm still going up on the drop frames.
Hmm. Oh, my drop frame count is still going up, and I'm about 1/3 drop frames. Stop it. Yeah, I'm at 34.7 now. Hey, Dragon, what is up? I'm probably not going to be sticking around because I'm dropping all the frames right now. And I'm too focused on that to get anything done. So we might just call it, and I'll be back on Saturday. Yep, numbers still go up. Damn it. Nope, it's me. I mean, here, I'll show you. There we go. Why is it not zooming in the right place? Damn it. Urgh. Control-Shift-4. Well, now it looks like it's fine. Well, it might be, we might be there. If it starts pulling it again, then I'm just going to drop. Control Shift 7. Ah, that's right. Okay, Control Shift 4. Control Shift 4. Yeah. Boom, boom, boom. Cody, I have multi-encoding and I also have YouTube streaming. Yep. Oh, here the dark in here. All right, time to get a little bit rough with Claude here. Because it was trying to tell me shit. Yeah, I'm only gonna commit the stuff that I did. No, I said commit everything. If you had a face, I would slap it. How far back can I scroll here? No, god damn it. All right, let's see. What's up, Cody? On YouTube. Thank you for hanging out over there. Oh yeah, the chat is horrible over there. Also higher or a lower limit on characters. I was thinking more restricted. Ding, boom. I have it on normal latency. But I also have captions off. Okay. Okay, you better do what I asked for, or I'll slap you, or I'll create the buddy and then I'll kill it. That's what I'll do. Okay. Bum, 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 bum. Oh no, that's like the worst. The weekly limit. Boo. Okay. Stop scrolling back. Which one is that? What the hell? Okay, so wait. Okay. Add path repositories. So if I put these in here as a theme module, it just looks at those folders. Drupal folder. Okay. I just want to read. Stop moving shit. Okay. We'll do that. Artifact never talks back. Source sleeps better. Tonight. Oh, forgot to do the check back here. Adam Lowry. Fix it, fix it, fix it. I don't want to use a patch. Here's the issue that I'm going to run into. Drupal CMS 2.1, I think it is. Fuck, which one is it? Dar. Dar. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, this is where, yeah, this is where I'm running into issues. Okay. Looks like more should be happening here. Ooh, that was a good drop. Go me. Okay. See, I can't even read the approaches. Just gives me a little bit of info and then everything. Okay. This is potentially a thing. Yeah, they're all transitive dependencies. That's the thing. Okay, where does this go? It's so what? Web profiles. Is that a core folder? Okay, it's custom. Default triple CMS starter. Okay. Okay. Get this. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. This is all fine. Has anybody else noticed that Claude has like hidden everything? Like, I want to go back. I want to see what else happened, but you're taking away all of my scroll-ins. Every time for it seems we were on Christmas. Get out, Gabbert. Oh. No, that's fair. That's fair. Because you can't kill your pet. No. I just like the CLI though. Okay. I got you. I got you. Skipped. Do it again. Okay. I want to add the ability to tweak the personality a little bit more. Is there a personnel preamble that gets sent? Okay. See, like that. Just disappears. Additional pumas, but I don't need additional pumas. I don't even need one puma. Okay, let's see. Memory still isn't working, but I'm just a bit of a... So many pumas. So it's actually kind of funny. I've been reading a lot of lit RPG lately. Also, welcome in first time chat. Additional pumas, good to see you. If you're unfamiliar with lit RPG, it's like book versions with stats where the main characters are, it could be a number of different things that happen, but one way or another, something happens, or, well, the ones I've been reading, I don't want to, generalize completely, but like Dungeon Crawler Carl is probably the most famous one out there now. But something happens, humans get pulled into a weird version of a universe or into a weird situation, but now they have a system or an AI or something that their entire life is boiled down to numbers. Like they have stats for their wisdom, stats for strength, all the regular D&D stats. But one series of books, there was a whole I think it's the Welcome to Noobtown series. But there was a whole big deal where they go into a forest that is just chock full of pumas. And so now every time that they go anywhere that might be dangerous, the lead character calls out Puma check to have everybody, look around and make sure that there's nothing. Puma check. We are Legion. And okay. Where are we here? Where are we here? Oh yeah, I tried to kill off my pet. Didn't work. Oh, it is fun. It's definitely fun, but I have the same problem. I have all the books, but I got no one to play. Okay. see, get back here. See, there it goes again. There it goes again. Okay, what? Rebuild the stack, create a site. Start with the S3 testing. Boom. Okay, let's look at the containers. What we're trying to do now is we're trying to get and see if, wait, what? Okay, controls going. Ooh, I do have a site running. Dragon, yeah, I mean, aside from when I get bored and I'm like, ooh, I need my own Kanban board, or I need a Stargate dialer for some reason. Creodrop is my big one. Creodrop is the one that I'm hoping is actually going to be useful. To other people, and that people will pay me money for. Oh, you weren't here when I showed the Stargate dialer yesterday? Well then. Where would you like to go today? I would say Abydos, but that planet was destroyed by Anubis, and all its residents were ascended. Talana, they were they were jerks until they made a bad deal with the Gould. Heliopolis, after they brought Ernest back, it wasn't worth going there. Also, the gate fell into the ocean. Takara's good. And, well, no. Ooh, at least that's better. Boom, boom, 2, 4. See if we get anything just from randomly dialing. No, it shouldn't. It shouldn't engage. All right, close the iris. Oh, IDC SG11. Open the iris. Let's disengage and let's go all the way to Atlantis. Hopefully our ZPM has enough power. Sammy, what's up? Yep, there we go. Atlantis. Come on. It's a dangerous. Here we are now. Okay, we did the backup. Yeah, Dragon JT was asking about some other projects. I mean, I've got my two primary ones. I've got Creodrop here, and I've also got Coda. Do we get it? Did we get it? Did we get it? For local dev browser downloads won't work because browser can't reach that. Hey, 5 streams. Okay, editor, no. All right, what? Did I just look at this? Yeah. What? Okay. Okay. Maybe this helps. Maybe this don't help. Hey, welcome back, Penny Mosquito. How you doing? Did you see the latest stream of Talking Drupal? The latest video from Talking Drupal? Ah, sorry. Okay, now. Okay. Okay, clear. Here's something else I was thinking. Ah, fair, fair. That's pretty much what Talking Drupal was about. At least my guest on it, my guest spot on it. Oh, we were talking about my Florida talk. Oh, that reminds me. I need to pitch Rotterdam and Decoupled Days. Based on the context of the response and the content and context and the persona in use. Okay, still needs building. Forgot password. Okay, I got to rebuild the Drupal image. Is it Drupal demo image? Creodrop. Inspect. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's it. see. All right, what do you got going on? Um, however, what TTS? TTS, I'm using Azure TTS. I'm using Whisper CPP for for the speech to text. Okay. So, Sammy, I wonder because, I mean, isn't words just basically boggle? And can you really patent the concept of an anagram? I mean, there's probably a ton of like just word search or um jumble type games. I mean, hell. Hidden words, Wordle, Semantle, Quordle. I mean, yeah, spelling bee, words with friends. Come on. I mean, there's definitely patent trolls out there that will find a way to sue anybody. I was working for a company, an agency, a few years ago, and a patent troll lawyer tried calling us up and saying, "Hey, we're going to sue you because you're using drop-down menus." And we all collectively laughed at them. Okay, I'm going to take a quick break, run to the bathroom, and I will be back in a few. Let's see if Words is going to play nice today. Come down the mountain. It's not letting me log in. The hell is that thing? No. Just let me freaking log in. Okay, good to know it's not just me. All right, I guess just clips while I'm gone. I'll be back. Oh. Fuck. Look at that. So I'm doing all the All right, back, and Odious saves the day. Welcome in. Okay. Let's do 2. Oh no, I'm dropping frames again. I'm dropping again. Yeah, I've been dropping a lot of frames, but now I'm back in the green. Okay, are we built? We're built. We'll see. We'll see how it goes in a few seconds. I am definitely in the stay the hell inside zone. All right, let's look at my persona here. What we got for Jarvis? Let's see, okay. Okay, that saved. There we go. Got that. Local LLM all hooked up. Let's test it. Good. Let's take a look at my MCP. Might need to install a couple, but let's do that. Hands-free mode. Turn back on. Typical Turtle Live. I've never touched Godot, but Godot, on the other hand, Godot, I use quite a bit. In fact, my overlay, the critters you see behind me, like this one right here, all in Godot. I've even got a gold Godot bot. I love it. Why? You got questions? Anything that I could help you out with? Maybe? Oh, right on, right on. Well, if you got any questions, feel free to ask. I'll answer to the best of my ability. I haven't really jumped into it on stream recently. I've been working on a hosting platform. Ah, damn it, this is broken. Temporal US, welcome in, or Temporal US. Thank you. Tell the folks at home what you can do. recommend starting with becoming an indie dev with Godot. Learn it and make stuff that's fun. There are some really good tutorials out there. Bracky.
Hey, I'm your AI coding assistant, powered by Claude Opus 4.6 with a suite of specialized agents and tools. Here's what I bring to the table. Core capabilities. Code work. I read, write, edit, and refactor code across your entire code base. I understand your Electron architecture, main/prelo.
Hey Nova, change the song.
Skipping to next track.
That was interesting. Okay, I have the AI backend set to assistant only. I do, typical turtle. I do. It's been a while. So my primary project recently has been a hosting platform, and on the side I've been working on Coda here. But for the last year before that, I've been streaming Godot. Let's see. Here, I recommend Bracky's tutorials, and then keep an eye on Humble Bundle, because they often have a Godot tutorial. I wouldn't go with the one that's on there now. Well, Game Dev TV isn't bad, but if you were to wait for a Zenva bundle, that's usually the better one. But what kind of game are you working on? Anything in particular? Anything cool? Got any ideas that I can give you feedback on? Ooh. So if you want to know about ants, I mean, I don't know how realistic you want it to be, but if you have questions about ants and like how they actually behave, Belint over on Science Streams is a research scientist and has done a lot of ant science. But that sounds like a really cool idea. A lot of potential there. Hey Nova, what's the current weather near me? Hey Nova, what's the current weather near me?
I'm a coding assistant. I don't have access to your location or weather services. You can check the weather by searching online or asking a voice assistant like Coda.
Wait a minute. Y'all see that? Oh. I have not released any. I've done a couple game jams, but most of my stuff, I have this tendency that I'm trying to break my streak with Creodrop of not releasing anything, working for a while on something, and then forgetting it exists. But I have done some fun things. Like my overlay used to be completely. Wait a minute, is that just coincidence? Oh wow. Just where that window happens to be sitting. My entire overlay used to be done in Godot. I've made a presentation like a PowerPoint, but I used Godot to present it. Here, let's see. I think I did that one in 4.3. Or did I? Ah, here we go. Oh, not this one. No, not this one. Um, this one? Yeah, this one's good enough. Okay, it's kind of broken. I'm sorry, I only speak English. Welcome in. Oh, I know web development very well. Not to toot my own horn. way too long for way too little to be put out. Did I have anything in 4.5? I worked on a ton of like dumb stuff. Oh, I did a Minesweeper clone. Oh, unfortunately I don't really have time for freelancing right now. What's the site built in? Oh, how does Claude Code or how does AI stuff work and how much does it help? So the way that I look at it is as an assistant. It's an assistant. It can be an entire team of assistants, but it's an assistant. It's something that you want to know what you're doing before you use, in my opinion. There are a lot of people making a lot of money. There are a lot of people making a lot of money vibe coding, but I'm worried about when that bubble pops and people realize that, hey, the thing that they vibe coded isn't safe and probably shouldn't be used on production, anything. But having experience as a developer, like for the most part, if it's something that I care about, if it's not just a fun little project like my AI assistant that I'm building, I look at every line of code that it puts out. And if it's something that I would write myself, or if it's something that I understand, then I let it through. If it's something I don't understand, then we talk it over. The big thing with using any of the LLMs is the response is only going to be as good as its prompt. Garbage in, garbage out. So giving it guardrails and giving it very specific tasks to complete will really help you with it. But I think the best way that it was explained to me is treat it as though it is a junior developer that you just hired, but is very knowledgeable on how to do a lot of things, but it knows nothing about the project that you're working on it with, or that you're having it work on. You teach it what it needs to know by prompting and by having, that's why you want to have reusable prompts or context within each project. The thing is, every time that up until recently, I mean, it's better. Claude's gotten better with automatic memory, but every time you hit clear, it becomes a new hire, which is why you want to have the context save. But like for this, I fully admit I am vibe coding this entire thing. But I'm not giving it to anybody, and it's just something fun for me. Yeah, I mean, like I said, garbage in, garbage out. It's really good at debugging, especially if you know how to add in skills. Like here, let me get through this really quickly. Like, now this is just layout stuff. But here, let's experiment a bit. No, not like that. Oh, wow. I am behind. Way behind. Well, I appreciate that, typical Turtle. I stream 4 or 5 nights a week, and on Saturdays, sometimes Sundays. Tommy, that's awesome. I'm glad it's going well for you. Yeah, let's do it so it could be. Let's just do an experiment here. Ooh, the UI. Look at this UI. This is a lot better than it has been before. Look at these low rates. Okay, what do we got here? Yes. Okay, let's add folder to workspace. Let's do that here. Projects vibe. Was it test? Test vibe? There you go. Oh, what?
Hey, insert rating streamer's name here. Thank you for the raid. How did insert last activity here go? Now, let's rock.
Raiders, 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 JDDoesDev just got some Raiders. Raiders, JDDoesDev just got some Raiders. You raided me, thank you. You raided me, thank you. Raiders, 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 JDDoesDev just got some Raiders.
Welcome in, Hypnotic. Welcome in, everybody. Welcome in, Raiders. Let's see who all said hello. Tricky. Tricky. What have I told you? Sammy's here with the raid. Tricky's here with the raid. Onikana is here. How was your stream, Hypnotic?
Hey, insert rating streamer's name here. Thank you for the raid. How did insert last activity here go? Now, let's rock.
Raiders, 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 JDDoesDev just got some Raiders. Raiders, JDDoesDev just got some Raiders. You raided me, thank you. You raided me, thank you. Raiders, 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 JDDoesDev just got some Raiders.
Welcome in, second raid. We've got a raid train or something. Next tab, thank you for the follow. So Hypnotic, how is your game coming along? You got some bugs fixed? Folks, go wish list Hypnotic's game. Greetings from not Germany here. Let's see, we've got first time chats. Also, welcome in. Next tab D. First time chat from Bjorn. TG Studio. PTZ. Welcome in. Welcome in. Let's get some shout outs here. No, don't be sorry. Don't be sorry. I appreciate you coming in as it is. All right. Thanks for coming in. Thanks for coming in, Hypnotic. I appreciate you. Hope you have a good rest of your day. All right. Next tab. Thank you for the raid as well. Much, much, much appreciated. Am I going to get an error? I'm probably going to get an error. Might have to wait a little bit for it. So raiders coming in, all of you from multiple streams, welcome in. I'm JD. I'm a web developer professionally, and I am currently crap. I oftentimes do Godot game dev on stream. Also, next time, if there's anything that you want to share, either of you, Hypno or next tab, if there's anything at all that you want to share, please, please, please feel free. Links are open. So right now I'm working on a hosting platform for Drupal sites. I've had to pivot to make it a little bit more developer friendly because the stuff that I wanted for non-developer friendly isn't really working out the way that I wanted to. Oh, WordPress. We are PHP friendly here. So you might appreciate this is I'm trying to make something so that Drupal can be more like WordPress. And what I mean by that is make it easy to spin up a Drupal site. That is my goal, is to make it easy. Because right now, I mean, WordPress has always had that, oh, we've got the big button. Yeah, we've got the button. Do you have the button? We don't have the, you don't have the button. We've got the button. Let me clear out a couple things here. Whoa, good God, what? Let's stop all my containers here that are part of this and then see what's left. Okay, let's get that. Oh. DDev start. Let's get DDev up here. Well, let's get spin up in a few seconds here. And I think there's a dangling image. What is this one? That's a phenomenon. This is just a spare one that didn't work. Oh, this is completely broken too. Never mind. It's completely broken on that because I'm waiting for some fun things. Yeah, Penny, I haven't tried them all, but I like that. As much as I love Herschel and what he's trying to do, seeing the only paid one on that marketplace from Dripyard at $900 might be off-putting to new people, because people who are just interested and want to see it are going to be like, oh, why would I pay $900 for a theme? But they don't, because they don't understand what all the work behind it and how good that theme actually is. Like, no secret that I'm hoping to partner with Mike Herschel and Andy for reselling Dripyard themes, but I don't want to just, go straight for, oh yeah, go ahead and pay 900. Let's see. I think I actually started spinning one up yesterday. Okay, let me see. Where is my, oh, yep. Oh, customer isolation. Each of them are going to have their own, well, they all get spun up on their own containers, their own, since I'm starting off small, eventually I'm going to move to Kubernetes. Hold on, there are some weird things here. Delete it. Oh yeah. But they each get their own container, their own storage, all that is separated out, and they are all defined by tenant IDs. So hold on, let me get over here. Oh, that's my fault for the typo. All right, so this is how Drupal sites have changed. And for anybody wondering what Penny was asking about the free site templates, there's a lot of good ones here. This one is very good. It's a premium one, but I don't think that, a premium one should either be right at the top or you should be able to filter. But there are a ton of really good site templates here to get you started with. My concern is how limited some of them are. And I could probably, well, look at this. We can see the demo at Tugboat to decide beforehand. Whatever. I could also probably spin up some demos if you want to test them, but why not use Tugboat's infrastructure? But they all look decent and they all serve decent purposes. I'm just concerned that Canvas isn't quite to the point where it needs to be. Not saying that all of these are based on Canvas. Now let's look at Haven. It's your fault. Which part? Merge it. Release it. Mark is fixed. No, I get the comments that Adam left here. They make sense. But this, like right now, so I did load up one of my sites. Here, bring it on over here. But everything is broken because I need that apply image style. That is the one thing holding Creodrop back. At least for the non-developer. But that's why I'm building it out to be more developer friendly, I hope. Yeah, I need to install or create account. Okay, let that set up while it's going. And then let's get the forgot password flow going. I'm still dropping frames. I'm still like in the red. And now I'm in the green. Is there any way to warm the session in? It's not showing a damn thing. All right. Why is my connection like this? Why are you like this? Why? Why are you doing this to me? Okay, let's see. So Haven comes with what? What do we got here? What can I steal from this? And honestly, all these are look better than anything that I came up with. Ooh, broken image. Where's this image? Let's see. Section. Parameter and raised width. So it looks like it needs to be warmed. Service unavailable. What the hell? Image style download controller. Core modules, image source controller. Yeah. Image generation in progress. Try again shortly. So shouldn't this rehydrate after the generation happens, or is it just not? Riven, what is up? This seems new, having project browser in here. I think it might be similar, but I mean, this is coming straight. This is not my page. This is coming from Haven. Okay, there. Exit preview. All right, it rehydrated eventually. Or should I say hydrated? Finally, it did show up eventually, but this looks a lot better than anything that I would have, anything that I did. That's kind of what it looks like, that it just keeps trying. I don't know. Has nobody mentioned this before? Or is it just a me thing where the console always has a ton of errors? But I need to run to the bathroom real quick. Let's see if words are going to work. Still there. I'll be right back. All right, back. There we go. Got it. Okay. Let's get myself a password reset. Oh, nice. Actually, I don't know if it's nice because it does seem a little like, what the hell, why? Okay, get the reset your password. There's a Freelander. All right, what you doing? Fuck off, Figma. Only one game per day? Oh. Okay. What the hell are you doing? Okay, this is, wait, page? Okay, forget password page. Right. Fine, fine, fine. Okay, use client. This is our reset password token to add a new one. Password must be at least 8 characters. Okay, let's. All right, it might be about time for me to take off, just because the connection is so damn unstable, and I'm above 10% drop frames. Let's see, is that even a thing anymore? Boom, boom, boom. Irvin, it's just been weird off and on today. I mean, started off earlier, had to disconnect. The ingest servers are all being weird, but it's also windy here. Okay. Okay. Okay, update everything in the documentation, including docs. Says she lives for me to basin. Their own motivation. He comes round and she goes down on me. Okay, let's go ahead and build this while I'm waiting. Fucking do. Okay. Okay, let's do that. And then, all right, Dragon, take care. Thanks for hanging out. I appreciate you. Then I'm going to choose a raid target. All right, I know where we're going. We're going to head over to Holdenator's Hoe. He raided me not too long ago. Want to share the love. Playing Super Meat Boy 3D right now, which I think just came out on Xbox Game Pass. I will be back Monday morning. No, Saturday morning. If I'm back on Monday morning, that means something went really, really wrong tomorrow. But I'll be back Saturday morning. What are days? All right, thanks to everybody. We got some new follows. We got some raids. Next tab, the Typical Turtle Live. Thank you for the follows. We also got raids from Hypnotic and Next Tab D. No new subs, no bits. Appreciate you all for hanging out and everything that you do. Hopefully next time I won't have any connection issues like I do now. All right, take care, friends. See you later.